E is 3
Sir,
divided by 2.
2.6 and 3.9.
2.6. How 2.6? 26 you are telling.
26 and 39.
Okay, good. 26 and 39 is good. So how to calculate that? So you take the total value of CF 65 divided by what is E? 3 divided by 2. You add that 3 plus 2. Put it in a bracket. So what is this? 65 divided by 5. That will be equal to 13 mm. 13 mm. Understood? 13 mm per each parts. Each parts. Okay. So in total we have 5 parts. The total length is 65. So each part is 13 mm. Got it? So 3 into 13 is 39 divided by 2 into 13 is 26. 26. Understood? Everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Fine. Yeah, now tell me what is the first step? You need to draw a vertical line. Okay, you need to draw a vertical line which is a directrix. What is the length of the directrix? Length of the directrix?
100.
100 mm. Generally, we are drawing 100 mm. You can draw of any length. Okay, any sufficient length. Go to line command. If at all required, you can switch on ortho. Okay, or if you have kept the polar tracking switched on, it's fine. So I'm drawing a vertical line of length 100 mm. Okay, 100 mm. Okay, so now we have this line of length 100 mm. So you give this line the name AB. Let us name this AB. Okay, AB. Fine. So we are drawing a vertical line AB, which is the directrix. Now, what is the distance given? CF is 65 mm.
65 mm.
65 mm. Next, you draw a horizontal line, which is nothing but the axis, such that it is equal to 65 mm. 65 mm. Total line. So when you move along this, at one particular point, you will get a triangle, which is nothing but the midpoint. Select that, draw a horizontal line. So the length is, we know, 65 mm. 65 mm. Okay, fine. So now I have drawn the line CF. So you give the name. So this is my C. This is my F. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
You see, conventionally you can find V, position of V. We very well know V is lying between directrix and focus. Okay, directrix and focus. We have identified the distance of VF and VC. VF and VC. Conventionally, you need to draw a line of that length and to find a V. Okay, that is not a professional way. So
Sir, I'm not
instead,
getting the triangle thing, sir.
triangle, you cannot get the triangle means you go here, this object snap, make sure it is switched on. Okay, and you please click the drop down and you switch on everything.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so after you see this is midpoint, for you it will be like this. You switch on this. Okay, is it coming now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So to get the V, I'm going to divide this line into 5 equal parts. Why 5 equal parts? Here I am having
3 plus 2.
3 plus 2, 5 parts. How to divide a line? Which command?
Divide command.
Divide command. Yeah. This is not divide. D-I-V-I-D. This one. So it is asking the object to select. Select this object. So we are going to divide into 5 parts. Give 5, press enter. So the line is divided or not?
I'll change with the points too.
Then it should work. Okay.
Oh, sir, can you repeat the steps? The
Which
division
one?
alone. Dividing alone, sir.
What do? You type divide, select it, select the command, the line, the last for number of segments.
Number of-
5.
Yes, sir.
Press enter. That's all. The line is divided,
Yes, sir.
but it is not visible because of this point type. Go to point type, put this one, absolute units.
Okay.
Okay. Last part you type point, and this corner you put a point. Okay. So you will get all 5 points. So each part is 13 mm. 1, 2, 3. This one. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3 3 parts. Type offset. I hope I have confusions over here. Okay. The type offset. Click on this command. It will ask for offset distance. You give 15 mm. 15 mm. You select this object. Okay. Select and move to the right and click so that a line will come, offset line. Like that you place 5 lines. 5 lines. Okay. Like this you place 5 lines. Offset, is it clear? Or you want me to demonstrate one more time offset? Okay. Fine. Next, I want all these lines to touch my CE line. What command you will use for that? I want this line to be extended till this line. The command is extend. Extend. Okay. Then you click so that it will be extended. Or you can click and drag so that it is extended. Okay. That's all. So with this, the second part of ellipse is completed, or the conics. First is identification of V. Second part is till you draw this parallel lines. Okay. So far, any doubts? Anyone? All sleeping nicely. Afternoon 3 hour session.
No, sir.
No.
We are listening, sir.
Okay, very good. So listening, then it is well and good. Okay, right. So we'll give some names, okay, as we all have some name for our identification. We'll give some name here. So what name we will give? 1 dash. 2 dash. And this is your 3. This is your 3 dash. Then we'll have your 4 dash. This will be 5. This will be 5 dash. Okay, that's it. So now I have given the name. Now I have given the name. Yes. So hereafter, this is the most difficult part. This is the most difficult part where you feel very, very confusing. Okay. Please carefully listen. Carefully listen. What I'm supposed to do is the FS center and VE as radius. Okay. I'm going to draw an arc intersecting VE. For that, I need a compass, which is not possible, okay, in Autocad. So I'm going to draw a circle. Draw the circle. Okay. What is the radius I told? VE. Go to circle center radius. You take V as the center. And you just draw the circle such that the radius is equal to VE. Radius is equal to VE. Clear? So when you click the circle, the radius you see, it is equal to VE. Now, the center for the circle should be F. You click the center of the circle and you put it on F. Put it on F. Got it? Now tell me where this is intersecting this line. Where the circle is intersecting this line. It is intersecting on.
Sir,
Hmm.
is the center of the circle should be on F na, sir?
Yes, it's on F only. You see, I select the circle.
Yeah. Okay.
The center is on F. Okay, and it is intersecting the line at V. Okay, so this is the intersecting point. Okay, since we have a point over there, it is fine. Okay, is it clear, students? Sir, no. This is the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
good. This is the place I hope all might be getting confused. If you have compass, this procedure will be simple. You see, you need to carefully listen. Wherever I want to make arc, I'm going to follow the same technique. There are places in which I may be shifting 10, 20 points. And we will be using this technique only. So please carefully listen. Okay. Done. So we got the first point. So remaining, how many lines are there? 5 lines are there. I need to get remaining 5 points. Yes. So take this circle or you delete this circle. If you feel confusing, you delete this circle. Once again, you go to center radius. Now with FS center, same FS center, 1 dash as radius. Okay. We don't know what is the length of 1 dash. To identify the radius, selecting this as the center, and this is 1 radius. Okay. Now tell me the radius of this circle is equal to what? The length of
1 dash.
Yeah, good. The length of 1 dash. Now simply shift the circle to F. Simply shift the circle to F. See the circle is intersecting 1 dash. Isn't it? The circle is intersecting 1 dash. There you put a point. There you put a point. Got it? Or we'll change the color of the circle so that it is all even. Okay. Now this yellow color is intersecting this line at 1 dash. Got it? Fine. So now take the circle. Now for next line, the radius for next line, the radius will change. The radius should be equal to the length of 2 dash. 2 dash. Okay. You see, every time when you shift from one line to the other line, you want to increase the radius such that it equals the height of the line. Then you bring the circle to the focus. You check where it is intersecting with point. Then you move on to the circle, same procedure. Increase the radius, put it in focus, intersecting, put a point. Clear? Same procedure you need to repeat. Bring back to the focus. I'm typing point. So wherever the circle is intersecting. Okay, see here it is intersecting. There you put a point. There you put a point. So I am quickly doing. So I am bringing to 3 dash, increasing the radius, bringing back to the focus, zoom, put a point. Okay. Exactly at the intersection, you need to put a point here. Okay. For hyperbola, it almost touches this line and it will go. Then I bring back to 4, increase the radius, shifting back to focus. Zoom, right click, repeat point, put a point. Okay. The last line, take the circle to 5 dash. Increase the radius, bring back to the focus. Zoom, repeat point, right click, repeat point, put a point. Okay, that's all. So now we got all the points. Going to draw this. Is it clear, students? I hope here only you had this problem. Yes or no? So clear? Okay.
One small note, sir.
Yes.
Sir, that on the horizontal line, we have taken 5 lines, no, sir. 1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4, 5.
Yes.
What is the distance between B and 1, sir, like for each one?
V and 1.
Yes, sir.
That is 15 mm. In offset command, I'm setting no 15 mm.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes. Anybody else? Any other doubts? Okay. Good. So please, if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Okay. No issues. Ready to solve it out. Okay. Once we got all this point, what command we will use? Spline. Why it is called spline? It is special line, smooth curve. Okay, that is why it is called spline. You see, it is showing some information. You click spline to select all this point. So selecting this point, please zoom and select. Okay, you see, you will get this symbol, node. That you check over and you select. Sometimes what they will do, they will select here. That is wrong. You need to select the center of these points. So that zoom and select, I will get the proper. Okay. So then press enter so that it is breaking over. Okay. So we have drawn one half of the hyperbola. How to draw the second half?
We have to do it downwards.
Mirror. Yes, mirroring. Just a minute. Okay, fine. So one half is drawn. So the other half need to use mirror. Okay. So go to mirror command here. Okay. I hope you can see. Select it. See, it is showing the example demonstration where this mirror command can be used. Okay. Click the mirror. Select this curve. Press enter. Then you draw the reference starting from V to this line 5. It will ask to erase the source object. Click no. That's all. Okay. So this is the required hyperbola. So select it, change the color, increase the thickness. Okay. So when you increase the thickness, it won't be reflected. It will switch on the line width. Okay. So this is the required hyperbola for the given.
Sir, can you again explain how to mirror that?
Yeah, I will do. So let me do this. So this is one half of the curve. Either you can select and click mirror, or you can click the mirror and select. Both will work. Click the mirror, select the object, enter. Okay. Then this is the reference for mirroring. Okay. So I just try it. Erase source object. No. That's this is how we will do the mirroring.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. Fine. Is it fine for all now?
Yes, sir.
What I will do now, I will stop the recording for this hyperbola alone so that it is saved. Okay. Fine. So keeping this steps in mind, please try to draw ellipse parabola hyperbola. Okay. I think this Friday I have given time, so try to do it. Okay. Yes. If you have any doubts, you please contact me. So if at all possible, I will try to help.